Hello everybody, I welcome all of you to my English class. Today we will read noun phrase. Noun phrase. Before going to topic, we have to discuss what is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word that it may be a person, place or a thing. Place, person or a thing. Place means Badambadi, Katak, Arulkela, Kendrapada. This is the example of place. Persons means Ram, Sita, Gopal. Thing means tin, torch, basket. These are the example. So noun is a naming word that it may be a person, place or a thing. Then what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words having sense but not complete sense. Phrase is a group of words having sense but not complete sense. You see the example. A beautiful lady. A beautiful lady. It is a group of words and it is a noun phrase. It is a noun phrase and phrase is a group of words. The group of words having sense but not the complete sense. Not complete sense. It is not conveying the clear meaning. So you wait. I am writing before the phrase I saw. I saw a beautiful lady. It is conveying, it is giving clear meaning. I saw a beautiful lady. So, a phrase is not a sentence. A phrase is not a sentence because it is not giving complete idea. Not complete idea. Then what is noun phrase? Noun phrase consists of noun or pronoun which is called head noun and any modifier. Noun phrase consists of a noun or pronoun which is called head noun and any modifier words before head noun. Example, a white tiger is sick. Here in this sentence, a white tiger is a noun phrase and head noun is a tiger. This is the example of noun phrase. Tiger is head noun. You remember the head noun comes always at the end of the noun phrase. Whatever may be the sentence, in a noun phrase, head noun comes at the end of the noun phrase. Here, tiger is the head noun. And the white is modifier. The white is modifier, modifying the head noun. Then again question comes, what is modifier? A word or a group of words. A word or group of words functioning like an adjective or adverb to describe other words in a sentence. Again, a word or group of words functioning like an adjective or adverb to describe other words in a sentence. Example, the white tiger is sick. Again, same sentence. The white tiger is sick. Tiger is head noun. The white is pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers. This is the example of modifier. Again come, I told a noun phrase means a small group of words. I saw a beautiful lady. I saw a beautiful lady. It is a sentence, but beautiful lady is a group of words having sense but not complete sense. So, a noun phrase makes noun more specific. A noun phrase makes noun more specific. Suppose I am citing an example, boy. What boy? A boy the word boy in general. Many boys are there, not specific. But here, if I will say the clever boy is more specific. Another example, bus. Many buses are there. It is not particular to refer to any bus. But if I will say the red bus, it is particular, it is specific. The bus is head noun, the red is modifier. So the noun phrase is consist modifier plus noun is equal to noun phrase. Now we have to know the different determiners or different elements of a noun phrase. Different elements of a noun phrase. First we have to know the article. We know article is a and the. A and the. Second is demonstrative. Second is demonstrative. Demonstrative is this, that, these, those. In a sentence we can say this pen is good for writing. Number 3, numerals. Numerals is divided into two types, cardinal and ordinals. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth. I met 5 American tourists. The first man is my brother. These are the example of numerals. Then quantifiers or amount of words. Quantifiers or amount of words. Example, some, many, much, any, no, enough, several, plenty, a few, a lot of, great deal of. These are the example of the quantifiers. Some deers are grazing here. Many people are present there. The example of the quantifiers. Then come to possessive. Possessive. Example, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, Ramos. These are the example of the possessive. Sentence, my books are of my life. Your father name is Mr. Ashok Patnaik. The example of possessive. Then we have to know about distributive. Distributive example is each, every, either, neither. In sentence, each child got a prize. Every child got a prize. These are the example of distributive. Then 7 multipliers. Double, triple, twice, 1/3. The example of multipliers. Double the number, twice the quantity, 1/3 of the people. The example of multipliers. Then last one is 7 double H word. Example, what, which, whose, what book or which book. These are the example of double H words. All the above pre-modifying class of words are called determiners. The number is 8. Total number is 8. All the above pre-modifying class of words are called determiners. In addition to the determiners, an adjective and participle and another noun also be the part of the pre-modifiers in a noun phrase. These are first adjective. Example, the white goats, a black cat. Second, participle, a running train, a trained worker. Third one, noun, a brick house, a table cloth. These are the pre-modifiers in a noun phrase. You mark the following two noun phrases: a science college, a stone building. If I will put the question college, what is the parts of speech of a college? College is a noun, science also a noun. But a science college is a noun phrase. And first is also science also noun and college also noun. But when two nouns are there, one is classifier, another is head noun. Here the science is classifier, college is head noun. In the noun phrase, a science college. A classifier is a noun which functions as an adjective. Here science is an adjective and it is also called classifier. A stone building, stone is also noun, building also noun. But in that noun phrase, stone express the quality of adjective. So stone is a classifier, building is noun. Then we have to know the predeterminers. Predeterminers come before the determiner in a noun phrase. That means they come before the determiner in a noun phrase. Example, all the boys. All the boys. The boys is a noun phrase and the is determiner. Before the all is there. So all, the word is predeterminer because it is before the determiner, so predeterminer. Here some meaning of some quantifiers. Much stands for quantity. Many denotes number. Few, almost not, or less than expected, negative in meaning. A few, less in number. Little means almost nothing. A little means very less quantity. Any refers to an amount of number. Some refers to quantity in positive sentence. Less stand reference to quantity. Fewer stands reference to number. These are the meaning of some quantities. A usual pattern of noun phrase. First determiner, adjective, head noun and post modifiers. This is the sequence. Example, the poor boy in the village. The poor boy is pre-modifiers and in the village is post modifiers. The boy is head noun. Post modifier, pre-modifier, head noun. This is the unusual pattern of the noun phrase. This is all about noun phrase. Thank you.